Hey guys, today we're presenting a short segment and it's called
Cooking with Daddy.
Guys, today we're going to be making Mommy a little surprise. We're going to be making my very own favorite and famous chocolate covered grapes. We're going to be making a little bit more than just grapes, but it's a little surprise and a little twist on how we're going to have to make it. Damn, tell them like that, Eliza, already off the rip. Alright, let's do this. Today we have a special guest. Recording this video is... Hey guys, it's me! Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a lot of chocolate covered fruits. And in order to start making that, we're going to need our first ingredient.
Yeah, chocolate.
We're going to be using a 3-pound Hershey chocolate bar. Ooh, I can't wait to open this baby up. What about you, Eliza?
Me.
You excited?
Yeah.
Alright, you know what? Let's get our pots and pans of fruits. And that's how you do it. Alright guys, I'm ready to open this baby up. Are you excited, Eliza?
Yeah!
Alright, first thing, first rule. Guys. Remember guys, always have at home adult supervision before you touch anything on the stove. First things first, let's turn on the stove and start heating up the pot.
Okay, I'm not gonna touch that.
Let's start opening up the chocolate bar.
Yeah! I don't know.
Go ahead, pull that.
I'm gonna eat these.
Wait.
One piece.
Wow, this is
I'm
huge.
gonna get a piece. Give me a piece.
Whoa, guys, you want to see a 3-pound chocolate?
I want one piece.
Whoa.
I want piece.
Take a bite right there in the corner. Oh, how does that taste? Mmm. Oh yeah. That's what a 3-pound Hershey chocolate bar looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. Liza, stop eating this chocolate. All right, wait. Calm down. Leave the chocolate right there. Oh my God, you going crazy or something? Alright guys, first things first. We got the wax paper laid out. We got the chocolate open. We got the pot at a certain temperature. We got the Eliza going wild. Boom. Give you a little piece.
No.
A strawberry. Okay, we have a little strawberry. Got a Hershey bar for some chocolate. It's got it. Check that out, guys. I'm going to be dropping these in there. Cameraman, you can get a little closer if you need to. And now, let's start stirring that chocolate. Sugar gets all melted in there. Melting, you know what? Let's drop a little bit more so we can possibly get
I want some. Give me one.
Alright, let's keep dropping some chocolate in there. Keep stirring. Remember to drop the temperature a little lower so it doesn't burn. Continue stirring every 30 seconds. Hey cameraman, you could be helping me out here, bro. Don't worry about it. Alright. So now we got the chocolate melted. Guys, remember, it needs to be seedless strawberries. If not, when you pop them in your mouth or when you eat them, you'll have some seeds in your mouth. You don't want seeds in your mouth. You do not want seeds in your mouth.
Oh, yeah, seeds. Swallow the seeds.
Also swallow your seeds.
Oh, yeah. And then you grow in your belly.
Chocolate covered strawberries and chocolate. Chocolate covered chocolate.
Okay, I think can I have this piece?
No, leave it there.
Why can I not
You
have?
cannot have that, please, because it's too much chocolate.
No, I want that chocolate.
You can't handle all that chocolate. See? You're hyper already. Stop playing with the chocolate. Stop playing with the chocolate. Are you insane? God. Cautious, guys. The kids won't be in a sugar rush. Oh, God. All right. Alright guys, now that the pots are nice and clean, we are going to be starting our second batch. Well, our first batch of fresh strawberries right now. We just finished our first batch of chocolate covered grapes. Hopefully those turn out good. And let's get started. First things first, let's start melting.
This time can I cover the chocolate?
Yes, but first things first, we have to melt some chocolate. So there goes the first piece, and let's make sure we turn on the stove. And stove is now on. Let's get some more chocolate. 3-pound chocolate is about to be broken. 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 Hey cameraman, how are you? Do you need some water or something? Somebody pass this to the cameraman. Here you go. So we got one strawberry left. They're looking so nice. You guys want to see a little example of how they're coming out while this chocolate melts? Let me show you guys what I got working on here. Oh yeah, I hope you guys see that well. Let me turn on some more light over here. Here we go, guys. Let me see. Let's turn it on. Check this out, guys. You want more light? Well, bam! Here we go. And more light right now. There you guys go. Check that out. Look at how they're coming out.
Officially dance.
Let's do it. Ready? Go. Ooh, got the chocolate, and it's melting. Oh yeah. Ooh, got the chocolate, and it's melting. Ooh, got the chocolate, and it's melting. Ooh. Now let's cut that pineapple. Ladies and gentlemen.
We're gonna turn this, we're gonna make it not boring anymore.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be cutting this pineapple to make the world's most delicious pineapple covered chocolate or chocolate covered pineapple. Bam! There you go. Oh yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we got slices in the building. They're ready to go. Now, let's start melting some chocolate and we can start dipping. You feel me? Time to start melting some chocolate. So, Elijah, how big of a slice you think?
Tiny.
Alright, so since we're gonna do chocolate covered strawberries, we'll use the part that says popcorn. Let's use this moment to let Eliza give a segment on how you should subscribe. Take it away, Eliza.
And if you like me, subscribe on my video.
There you go. Woo! And the chocolate melting. Let's rub it. Ooh. Chocolate's melting. Chocolate's melting on the stove yet again, oh baby. Chocolate's melting on the stove again, oh baby. Chocolate's melting on the stove. Should I give her another piece, guys? She's eating like 5 pieces throughout this entire video. Ask vlog. Guys, so the chocolate is looking good. First one. Alright guys, so right now what we're doing is we're melting down some chocolate as Check that out, guys. Oh yeah. First batch of chocolate covered pineapples. Good job, Eliza. Look what I did. I made the first batch of chocolate covered. And to the fridge they go. Alright. Alright guys, we're back from a little break. She was playing with her dolly and I was preparing some of these grapes. This time I'm going to be dropping them individually. Maybe so that way they get fully covered. These are some beautiful, beautiful grapes, by the way. I'm going to be making some amazing, amazing cookies. We're back, and we have about this much size of chocolate left, and we're gonna be using the E's. Just put in the Y, the E's, put the E's, the S, and the Y's. Right now, check that out. Chocolate. You know chocolate. You know what chocolate reminds me of?
Did you say chocolate? Chocolate? Chocolate!
Chocolate! Watch this. I'm gonna be pouring all of these into this. Cameraman, get closer so you can see how this looks. Each one is heavy. Look at this, look at this. A little bit of everything we just made, and that will conclude our video. I really hope you guys are enjoying it so far. It's been a blast making all this with you guys. We're having so much fun. It's almost time. The sad time of the end. Alright guys, here we go. Pop this and whoop!